ngasi angangsa logarithm log haibasi maramda tamsi log ase noi class 11 da tamgani 11 12 da log ki concept si yamna maru oiba potni log table kamai yenga dawno arthana karino madupumba ngasi nainase. Suppose you want to multiply these numbers. Se achawa masing ne aduna masi puri naraga masi matam changani soi bazu yai lan bazu yai adubu soi draga so matam di am changani adubu atobu multiplication am tauzi 8 into 4 khudak to noi harakani 32 ne kari no noi nipan gi natraga 4 gi multiplication table khange. But I can write 8 as 2 raised to cube. What is 2 cube? 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 and 4 is 2 into 2. Masida khoi sigi makhad lai report sina khoi base kawi sis na exponent kawi sis a base kawi sis na exponent kawi akhoi ankada niyomam lai karino ani puri na natragana divide tawba matamda base manaragadi puri na kanda magi exponent si 3 jhalaga yai. So 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 2 is 2 raised to 5. 2 plus 3 5. And what's the meaning of 2 raised to 5? Ani mangara 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 mangara the puri naraga yango kontra into taram gani. So we can see that this, if you don't know the multiplication table, can be solved using this method. Okay, akoi ko original problem karino sigya chaw masing se multiply tawone. Okay, sige masing se multiply tawkanda hoji akoi khangdri kana no mamna jadu dagi. If somebody can tell you that 51.234 is 2 raised to this much, you don't know how to find this, but if somebody tells you this, and if somebody tells you that this can be written as 2 raised to this much, as soon as you know this multiplication becomes easier because all no bs manara banina exponent 3 jan bhi ai 3 jhalaga disi tarani. So the answer is 2 raised to 15.38. adubu masige masing si masu yamna gyan tab masing nate 2 raised to something as akoi inate akoi na pami de si ani se multiply tor ko masing ama pam bane aduna sige number si akoi amu kananom da ngasai gi sige number je sonda on thoi mi du da dum piraga si number je sonda on thok pi ai admaina si number se si on thok anda kari tai si masing je tai adubu noina sidi yenga dose bs se ankada 2 oida ba yadi have leite 3 or je 4 or je manga or je kun or je kun tha or je bs manabam change. So this number can also be written as 3 raised to this 3 raised to this, which is equal to 3 raised to 9.7. Again, by converting it back, you get this number. Or I can do 10 raised to something, 10 raised to something. I add these numbers, so this becomes 10 raised to 4.6, which is equal to this number. Or I can also do it as e raised to something, e raised to something. Now what is e? E is a number which is equal to 2.7182. Again, what this base is irrelevant. As long as my bases are same, base manaragadi akoi exponent add tawangam. Okay, sige masing se akoi na puri narakanda sige answer se sitai 42,740. Si yango masige masing gai se adum lamsam yai masi yamna lande. Okay, so I want to convert 51.234 into 10 raised to something. Sine adu ragadi sida yango 51 hai base akoi karai gi tara dagi hele cham dagi hande adu ragadi sigi x se 1 dagi chawgadawne adi 1 oiragadi 10 oigani 2 oiragadi 100 oigani adu 51 nina 51 haiba masing se sigi ani gi marakta leibanina x ke value se amaga ani ga ge marakta leigani amadagi chawgani ani dagi pikkani. So x can be written as 1 point some number. I really don't know how to find this number yet. Ngale rakhangani. Now I want to convert this 834.218 into the form of 10 raised to something. Now si chanipan ga kunthra mari ne chanipan kunthra mari je kadai dalai chama dagi hele lising dagi handai adoragadi sigi x sigi value si ani dagi chawgadawne ahum dagi pikkadawne. So I can write this number as 2 point something something. Now let's take a number which is less than 1. So 0.008342. 0.008 नहीं होगा 0.008 से सीधे PE सीधे PE सीधे PE सीधे चाव है अदर x के वैल्यू से -4 दगी चाव गदौनी -3 दगी पिक गदौन. So I can write this number as -3 point something. Alright. अदुबु सिदा कैनों का हाई गया अखोइन हाई बदना -3e e कांदना 3 बार e मसी करी गिनो से ngaले रगा अर्थ हाई गया सिदा -3e दी कैदो भाई e दरी नो से मतलब नहीं ना से. So this number before the decimal अखोइन 10 raised to convert तो कांदा decimal की ममांग द लाइबा मसिंग से सिगना characteristic कवे decimal की तुंग द लाइबा मसिंग से ना अखोइ मेंटिसा कवे अखोइ characteristic पुथोक पदी हाई रहे मेंटिसा पुथोक पदी हाई तरे. Characteristic या नो यामना तरकार होइबा property मा निंगसांगो characteristic से माइनस नेगेटिव ओई भी आए सीधा माइनस ओई रिसिने पॉजिटिव ओई भी आए सीधा ओई रिसिने अदु मेंटिसा जिदी अखोइ log table दे पुथोकान द सिगे नंबर से it should be always a positive number मसी नो इसलगा थमो यामना मरु ओइबा पोने मेंटिसा नेगेटिव ओई बा यादी. Okay, so now if you want to find out when you say I sigi log to the base 10 put okay kari hai no sigi artha di sigi hai de kari no sigi masing si I want to write it in the form of 10 raised to x and I want to find out the value of this x. I have already seen here that this x will be between 2 and 3, so I can write this value as 2 point something. Asi characteristic kamai puthok adu mathang da tawrasi. Okay, suppose c number je koi log puthok yang khalle aham characteristic puthok ta ne c number je koi kamai bi ai yung c point se aham natural number de 0 na ta bene number se natural number koi aham natural number gi mathang da point je puro. So I can write this number as 2.34 into 10 raised to 5. Now 5 is the characteristic. So it will be, the log of this will be 5 point something something something. Now this number can be written as 1.25 into 10 raised to -1. So the characteristic over here will be 1 bar point something something. This number can be written as -3, so the characteristic will be 3 bar. Characteristic puthok atopa niyom yam lay niyom de chamanya method yam na lay method amazu haijarake characteristic puthok pagi angang hedi am live point je akhoi lairi ham the point je oirom the pubi ai yelom the pubi ai panthung karai dano. What is the destination? I want the point to be after the first natural number. If you move the point towards the left, it is normally positive, and if you move it towards the right, it is negative. And how many places you have to move? Let's count here. Ama, Ani, Ahum, Mari, Manga. So characteristic is 5 plus 5 because I am moving towards the left. Sida kya no? I am moving it towards the right, so it will be negative, and I move one place, so it is minus 1. Over here it is 1, 2, 3. So the characteristic is minus 3. Okay, ang noi characteristic putok pa hiramani na khalli. Mathang mentisa putok pang yengase. Mentisa putok pa idamagta akhoi log table ko bat table am siyanagani. Log table is mine yang noi log table gi noi larik maning dos yaram gani log table is mine tawbana. Sida tara dagi hauraga maudram pan bhol leram gani si log table tang khayam khaktani yang khai bo khaktani. Sigi matung di yang khai ma thoi de hauraga maudram pan bhom leram gini. Adagi di sida 0 dagi 9 bhom lere. Adi mean difference ta 1 dagi 9 am yaw. So you want to find out the log of 51.234. Magi characteristic kya varani? Characteristic 1 point towards the 1 decimal towards the left. It should be 1 point something. Then what? Let's find out what is that something. Now the number is. Now I have to look at the first 4 numbers. The first number is 52. Second number is 2, and the third. Okay, sorry. The first 2 number is 51. The next number is 2. Next number is 3. I am going to use only these 3 numbers. Log table the aham numbers hai. Aham number ani logo da. See 51 the yang as 51 kadai le si le. Mathang number karino 2. Log table si yung mathang isi number se 0 de ho bane. Adi 2 se si oira si 0 oira ni si 1 oira ni 2 se si ge masing jini. Ahum so number se na 3 si na mean difference the yang da. Mean difference se 1 de ho bane. Adi si ge masing ji oira ni. So okay, this is not correct. Okay, so this is how it is. So 51 under 2 and mean difference 3. Sida kariwarani 7093 ga sig 3 ziga punjalani adu kariwarani 7096. See 1 jina kada idilai 1 jina my characteristic ni point irani sig number je 7096 irani. So when I say log to the base 10 of 51.234 is this much, what this means is log to the power this much is equal to this. Aduna log table se khoi ngasai gi x ado karino do puthok pa. Now I want to find out the log of 365.1. Adu kariyega ni akoi 36 ki 5 ki mean difference 1 do. 36 ki 5 ki mean difference 1 do. Mean difference 1 karino 1 lera sida punjhalag kadana 5624 tarani magi characteristic na 2 ni, so it should be 2.5624. Again, what's the meaning? It means 10 raised to 2.5624 is equal to 365.1. Now I wanted to multiply these two numbers. Okay, see log table the kya putho hai, this equal to 10 raised to this. Log table the see putho hai 10 raised to this. See ani punjalani. Now 10 raised to 4.2721. Adu sige answer si de akoi na pamba answer do na ta akoi na pami di masing ne. Sige number se 10 raised to something je masing do on thok pagi si na log table do na akoi kari kawi anti log table kawi. Adu log table je ani so bani log table hai wi anti log table hai. Log table da na sidagi tara dagi hauraga maudrampan bholai bani. Anti log ta ni yung se point ta ki ho bani. There is no 1 2 3 4, it is 0.001. It will end at 0.99. Aduna akoi na sigi akoi point the yang gadon na point ki mamang ki number ja koi si na roi sigi number si na kani 2720 27 ka 0.27 kada le gra si yaud re ato log table mi yang si okay si le 0.27 si le 27 2 and 0. Actually this is not 0, this should be 1, so 0 is 0 anyway. So the number is 1871. Akoi kamai igani sigi anti log se karita re 1871. Huzik point kada ida hap kada point hap pe mata ganga sai characteristics darkar ho rene. So I can just write this as 10 raised to 4. But remember, whatever number I get from antilog, the decimal has to be here. So the antilog of this table is, this number is 1.871 into 10 raised to 4, which can be written like this. Sigi number se multiply torokanda koi sigi masing je phangi. Aduna you can see that this log table is not so bad. Let's take some more example. I'm going to take 3 examples. I want to multiply these two numbers. I want to convert this into 10 raised to something. This number into 10 raised to y. I'll add this number, and for this I'll use log table, and from here I want to convert it back to number, for which I will use anti-log table. So I can see that the characteristic is -1, so I write minus bar 1 point something. Over here the point is here, so it is 1, 2, 3, so it is 3 point something. Now let's find out what is the value of xx and yy using log table. So to find this out, I have to look at 32 under 5 and mean difference 4. 32 under 5, they start from 0, so it is the sixth number is 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and mean difference 4. 5119 plus 5 is 5124. So I can, this number is bar 1.5124. YY gi masing puthoji. Sida kari yangani 39 gi 7 gi mean difference 6. 39 gi 7 gi mean difference 6. Mean difference 6 7 ni sida tinjalagadi kya tarani 5995 tarani. So this is 3.5995. I have to add these numbers. Remember what this means is, this is 10 raised to this number and 10 raised to this number. Now the base is same, so I can add this number, but the addition is not that straightforward. Kayino sida mayan tu yan khara yaure. Yung se sigma singjan negative ne, sigma singjan positive ne, sida bodi sida positive ne, sida positive ne kesu kaidre. Adu khoi live ba khoi masi kamai thoksige, smai thokse. I can write this as my bar 1 can be written as -1. Now this number is plus, so -1 plus this, and this is +3, and this is plus. If I add all this number, I get 3.1119. Now I have to look at the anti-log table of 0.11 under 1 and 9, and I'll put it as 10 raised to 3. Let's just check this. I want to find out the anti-log of this number. Anti-log to kariyega ni 1 1 silare 1 1 silare 1. See, remember this is 0, so I have to take this number, and the 9 will be the last number. Okay, so what is this number? 1291 plus 3 is 1294. So it is 1294, but I put the decimal after point, the first natural number, so it becomes 1.294 into 10 raised to 3, which is equal to this number. And the actual calculation is this much. Now let's take one more final example and we'll be done. Now I want to multiply these two numbers. What will be the characteristic? -1, -2, -3. So 3 bar point something, and this doesn't have to move, so this is 0. So this is 3 bar point xxx, 0 point yyy. Now let's find out this value of xx and yy using log table. So for this first number, I have to look at 32, 5 and 4. 32, 5 and 4 is 5124. So it will be 3 bar point 5124. 3 bar point 5124. Let's find out the value of yy. I have to look under 39, 7 and 6. 39, 7 and 6. This is 7, this is 88, so this becomes 95, so it is 5995. So it will be 0.5995. Now again, I have to add these two numbers. The problem is kari problem no sina minus ni sina plus ni sibudi plus wire aduna yengo akhoi ngasai minus mamang di idri to minus mamang di iraga di si jo minus oi si jo minus oi akhoi no pami je si na plus oi si na minus oi aduna ne khoi na characteristic ta minus idana bar irise. So I can expand this as minus 3 plus 0.215 this plus this pulap tin jhala kan karita re minus 1.881. Now there is a problem. Karigino the this means this is also minus and this also minus, but I cannot take antilog of minus mantissa. I have to convert this into positive. So what do I do? Okay, karidawi masigise okay smani ibi si anisi tin jalo si tagani. So this number is equal to this, but remember my this number is negative now. See okay positive all thing adur kada koi kedarani plus 1 minus 1 tawre se sige number is koi minus 1 tawre plus 1 tawre sidagi kari warani si minus 1 gunjala gati si minus 2 tarani sige nisi khaidong narkanda plus tarani. So I can write this as 2 bar point something something, and then I can take the antilog. So this is minus 2 plus this, so this means 2 bar 0.119. Now remember, now this is positive, so I can take the antilog of this. Antilog kala idi angani 0.11 gi 1 gi 9 gi makhada. This number comes out to be 1294, and this is 2 bar, so it is 1.294 into 10 raised to minus 2, which is 0.012. Masi sum hen whole laga gyan tagadong yang sa. I hope you understood noi class tazu log table kamai si nagani takani adubo log table ge aseng ba artha di si ge artha jite.